The city of Fort Lauderdale just sent out an official tweet announcing the completion of the Tarpon River restoration project, and they are so proud of themselves that they are holding a ceremony to congratulate themselves. Sadly, restoration efforts will be for nothing as long as there are frequent ongoing sewage pipe breaks and drainage overflow. The Tarpon River has not been restored to pre-disaster levels, and the city has caused this when they pumped millions of gallons of raw sewage into the Tarpon River. They cannot solve this with congratulatory ceremonies.
In other words, who's running on water? Join our efforts by listening to the Real Guy podcast or joining the Coastal Community Network.